Hello, advanced math students. We are going to start this week by having some more graphing and linear equations practice. I'm going to go over 6 different equations that you could possibly see on your homework. So let's start out with a slope-intercept form question. Y equals 2x minus 5. Just a quick review. M would be our slope, which we're going to do rise over run. And this would be our y-intercept, the plus b. So for us, that's going to be a -5. And this is actually what we're going to start with. So we're going to go to the y-axis and go -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's where we cross the y-axis. Now our slope is 2. So we're going to say that it is 2 over 1. So we're going to go up 2 and to the right 1. Starting at our y-intercept. Starting here, we're going to go up 2 to the right 1 and we're going to put a dot. Up 2 to the right 1 and we're going to put a dot. And we're going to keep on going up 2 to the right 1 until we run out of room. Now, if I want to go the other way, instead of up 2 and to the right 1, we're going to go down 2 and to the left 1. Down 2 and to the left 1. And then, of course, we are going to draw as straight of a line as we possibly can. And we have graphed slope-intercept form. Positive slope. Anytime our number here is positive, going from left to right, our line is going to go up. Please remember that. So let's try one with a negative slope. Y equals a -1/3 x plus 2. So -1/3 is our slope. So going from right to left, our line is going to go down. So that's what you're going to be looking for, some sort of line that goes down like that. Our y-intercept is a +2, so we go up 2 on the y-axis. There's our starting point. Our slope now is a -1 over 3, which means we're going to start at our y-intercept and go down 1 and still to the right 3. So down 1 to the right 3, down 1 to the right 3, down 1 to the right 3. If we want to go the other way, we're going to go up 1 and to the left 3. Up 1 to the left 3. Up 1 to the left 3. Until we run out of room. And then we're going to draw as straight of a line as we possibly can. And it goes down, moving from left to right. Let's do one that's a little bit tricky. We talked about horizontal lines and we've talked about vertical lines, okay? Horizontal lines have a slope of 0, and anytime we have y equals any number, we'll say 5, that's going to be a horizontal line. So we're going to go up to 5 on the y-axis, and that is a horizontal line, okay? Let's erase this and use a different color. So then for a vertical line that has a slope of undefined, and that starts with an x. X equals, we'll say (-3). So we go over on our x-axis, we go to (-3), and we draw a horizontal, or yeah, a vertical line, sorry. Not a horizontal, a vertical line. You are going to have a couple of these in your practice problems, so please be careful. Let's do a couple where you change from standard form into y slope-intercept form. X minus 2y equals an 8. So I'm going to leave y. That's got to stay there. I'm going to subtract an x from both sides. So I've got my -2y equals, and I'm going to do y equals mx plus b. So I want the m and the x right away. So I'm going to have negative, and it's a negative 1x plus 8, because that's a positive 8. Now, I still want to get y by itself, so I'm going to divide by a negative 2 on both sides. So now, these cancel out, leaves me with y equals, which is what we're starting with. Now, I'm going to divide here and here. So I have a negative 1 divided by 2. So I'm just going to leave that as a fraction because that's my slope. And 8 divided by 2 gives me a positive 4. So to graph it, here's my y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4. My slope is negative 1/2, so I'm going to go down 1 to the right 2. Down 1 to the right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1. And I'm going to keep on going. Other way would be up 1, left 2. Up 1, left 2. Keep going until I'm done. And then I'm going to draw my straight line. And I know it's going down because it is a negative slope. Let's try another one. Let's try 4x plus 3y equals 9. Again, y equals mx plus b. I want to get y by itself. So I'm going to start out by subtracting 4x from both sides. Leaves me with my 3y, and again, mx plus b. But I'm not done. I'm going to divide by 3, so I get my y by itself. Y equals, start here, can't divide it evenly, so negative 4/3 x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, y-intercept, 1, 2, 3. Slope, negative 4, so I'm going to go down 4 and to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Go the other way. Instead of down 4 to the right 3, I'm going to go up 4 to the left 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The other one would be there. And I've got a negative slope, so I'm going down. That is what you are going to be doing. Whoops, have an extra one. So your homework is in Go Formative. Right after this, you're going to do 1 through 12 right away following this video. Make sure you message me if you have any questions.